Oh, there we go. We got him. We got him.
You're almost there then.
Good morning, everyone. We are going to start with the Pledge of the Flag. We ask that everybody please stand and please remain standing for a performance medley of American melodies conducted by Mrs. Allison Villalta. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? Who
Thank you so much to our concert choir conducted by Mrs. Allison Villalta. Everyone, if you may please take a seat. Good morning, everyone. I'm Hillary Kretz-Harvey. I am the principal here at Grand Island High School. On behalf of our middle school principal, Dr. Felicia Palacci, our assistant principals, Jamie Peld and Rich Spinelli, our superintendent, Dr. Brian Graham, our district administrators, and our Board of Education, it is my honor to welcome each of you here for our Veterans Day celebration today. Today we come together as both a school and a community to pause, reflect, and express our deepest gratitude to the men and women who have served in the United States Armed Forces. On behalf of all of us here at Grand Island High School and Veronica Connor Middle School, thank you to all of our veterans for being our special guests this morning. Your courage, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to protecting our freedoms represent the very best of our nation. We are deeply grateful for your patriotism, love of our country, and your willingness to serve and sacrifice to protect our freedoms that we hold so dearly. We recognize that the privileges that we enjoy every day exist because of your service. We are proud to honor you, not only for your past or current service, but also for the example that you continue to set for our students: dedication, integrity, resilience, and love of country. These are the same values that we strive to instill in our young people each and every day here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your service. Thank you to your families for their sacrifices that they have made. And thank you for reminding us what it truly means to serve something greater than ourselves. We hope that you enjoyed the choral performance this morning. We will now have a performance from our high school wind ensemble conducted by Mr. John Reed, and following their performances, our assistant principal, Mrs. Pelt, will have a few closing remarks. Thank you.
And now, we would like to salute all the men and women who have served in every branch of our armed forces. As the Grand Island High School Wind Ensemble performs Robert Loudon's Armed Forces Salute, we invite those of you in the audience who have served or are currently serving to please stand and receive your just recognition as your service song is presented. Today we remember you and are forever grateful for your service.
Thank you, Mr. Reed. Can we give our band and our choir one more round of applause? Aren't they fantastic? Veterans Day, especially for those of us who have family members who have served, is a time for reflection on service. I would like to just give a special shout out to our VFW post under Commander Dale Berger and our American Legion under the command of Mr. DeGlopper. If you guys could stand, because you have been amazing partners with the school. You continue to serve us. So American Legion, VFW members, if you would please stand for a round of applause. Thank you. If you are not a member, I definitely encourage you to join one of these amazing organizations. They have become an invaluable partnership with our school district. Finally, on behalf of Mrs. Kretz-Harvey, we invite you to breakfast. If you would kindly go to our large cafeteria, we have a breakfast ready and waiting for you and your families. Thank you very much for coming today.